The reason why most people abandon their dreams is not because they tried and did not get what they want, but because they realize that failure is inevitable in this journey of success. It cannot be avoided. क्योंकि बचपन से ही हमारे ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है, the pressure to avoid failure. You can be anything, you can do anything, but you cannot fail. But the real question is failure that bad? I think failure is not something to be ashamed of. Failure is a sign. It's a sign that you tried, you took a step, you took an action towards your dream. अगर आप कोशिश ही नहीं करते, अगर आप शुरू ही नहीं करते, तो आप फेल होते ही नहीं. So the real shame is not that you fail. The real shame is that you did not even try. फेल वही पर्सन होता है जो कोशिश करता है, जो काम करता है. अगर आप कोशिश ही नहीं करोगे, अगर आप काम ही नहीं करोगे, then आप फेल होंगे ही नहीं. एंड दोज पीपल जो कभी कोशिश करते ही नहीं है, जो कभी काम करते ही नहीं है, दे नेवर फेल बट दे ऑल्सो नेवर ग्रो. दे ऑलवेज रिमेन स्टक. जितना उन्हें पता होता है उन्हें उतना ही पता रहता है, एंड मे बी वक्त के साथ वो भी भूल जाएंगे. And as someone said, most people are not afraid of failing. Most people are afraid of letting other people watch them fail. You know the reason why we love I disappeared for a year and came back as a whole new person type of videos. Because when you have disappeared, तुम दूर हो लोगों की नजरों से, और जब तुम दूर हो लोगों की नजरों से, no one is watching कितनी बार you tried and failed. Because at the end of the day, people will see only the end product, the person you have become. They will not be able to see how many times you failed. Maybe that's why we are so afraid of failing in public, क्योंकि हमारा ego hurt हो जाता है. We want to be perceived as perfect, the person who knows everything, the person who can do anything. But how many people are there in this world who can do everything, who knew everything from the moment they were born? For example, when I was in school, I was never afraid of scoring less. What I was really afraid of was how people around me will react, because I knew that they will be judging me क्योंकि मैं उनकी expectations पे खड़ी नहीं उतर पाई हूँ. So that reaction was something that scared me. And this is what I'm talking about, that आप इस चीज से नहीं डर रहे हो that you will fail. You're actually afraid that how people around you will react when you fail. So in actual, you do not fear failing. You fear failing in public. But listen very carefully. You cannot become the best version of yourself. You cannot succeed. You cannot learn. You cannot grow without failing. That is why I always say that your belief system play a very important role in deciding whether you will create your dream life or not. Your ambitions are not going to transform into reality unless your own thoughts allow it first. Failure in actual is a very good teacher. Failure gives you an opportunity to learn, to grow. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है कि तुम्हें कहाँ पर कमी है, तो तुम improve कैसे करोगे? फेलियर तुम्हें वो आईना दिखाता है जिसमें तुम देख सकते हो कि तुम्हारे अंदर क्या कमी है. What are the things you need to work on? Fail forward, as they say. And what's more interesting is that failure is completely subjective. Animals do not agonize over failure. Kids are not afraid to fail. ये जो पूरा concept है of failing gets introduced to us when we are in school. Worst part is that इसी वजह से over a period of time our brain starts to treat failure as a threat. All I want to say is fall in love with your failures. Because if you want to be successful, you will fail. Not today, maybe tomorrow, not at everything but at something. एक point जरूर आएगा ऐसा जहाँ पे तुम्हें लगेगा यार नहीं हो रहा है. वो जो moment है failure का will definitely struck you. So that's why I'm telling you to fall in love with your failures.